Here at Winter's Performance, gears are at the heart of everything we do, whether we're talking quick change rear ends or dirt modified and super late model transmissions. So we thought it'd be cool to show you how our gears are made. These quick change gears start life as bars of 8620 steel. Once they're sliced into raw gear blanks, they come here to our tongue-tie MT2000 twin-spindle gantry machine. This machine handles the work of two lathes and employs a 3-axis robotic arm to rapidly load materials, allowing us to machine multiple gear blanks at once. The steel billets are loaded into the rotary table where the gantry grabs them and loads them into the first spindle. During this first operation, it drills a rough bore through the center. Next, it turns the outer diameter a little over halfway down the blank. Finally, it surfaces the first face. Then, the first gantry grabs the half-finished blank and carries it to two sets of jaws that rotate at 180 degrees and transfer it to the second gantry, which places it in the second spindle. While all this is going on, the first gantry goes back and grabs another raw blank. In this second operation, the OD of the other half of the blank is turned, the second face is surfaced, and the center bore is finished. Then, the second gantry carries the finished gear blank to another rotary table, where it's unloaded and tolerances are checked before it's stacked into bins and carted to our CNC hob. The timing from start to finish on the tongue tie varies depending on the size of the gear, but generally raw steel is turned into a finished blank in under about 3 minutes. The teeth of the gears are cut by one of our CNC hobs. Once a gear is cut, the operator removes it and loads another blank into the CNC. While that gear is being cut, the first gear is being deburred with a pneumatic chisel and a hand file. Then the tolerances are verified before it's loaded onto a cart to head to our broach. There, in the final machining operation, a massive press cuts the splines through the center bore of the gear. Then it's off to the heat treating plant. After heat treating, all our quick change gears and transmission rotating assemblies are REM-finished, which is a microfinishing process that gives the gears their chrome-like appearance. REM-finishing reduces the amount of friction between rotating components, and it also aids lubrication and decreases wear and fatigue on the parts. Once they leave the REM room, the final step is to laser etch any pertinent info and specs on the face of the gear, along with that all-important Winters logo. And that's how our quick change and transmission gears are made. For more information on our parts and to check out a complete list of quick change gear ratios for 6 and 10 spline gears, please visit our website or give us a call.